Most people think their brain is the only thing controlling their thoughts, but science shows that a huge part of your mood, your intelligence, and even your decisions is actually being controlled by the trillions of bacteria living inside your stomach. So today, I'll break down exactly how your gut impacts your brain, and I'll tell you how to keep it healthy so you can think clearly and feel your best. But first, what exactly are these tiny bacteria controlling your life? Think of your gut like a massive rainforest. It's home to trillions of different creatures, all living together in a complex ecosystem called your microbiome. When it's healthy and diverse, everything works perfectly. But when you mistreat it, it's like setting that rainforest on fire. So, how exactly does this impact your everyday life? There are three main systems that really make the gut your second brain. Number 1, the vagus nerve. This is a physical cable running straight from your gut to your brain. When your gut senses inflammation or bad bacteria, it sends instant signals that change your mood, anxiety levels, and stress response. Number 2, chemical messengers. Your gut bacteria regulate chemicals like serotonin, dopamine, and GABA. It also determines how sensitive you are to stress. Number 3, the immune system. 70% of your immune system lives in the gut. When your microbiome is unbalanced, it triggers chronic inflammation. Now that you understand the three main mechanisms, let me show you exactly how this affects your mood, decisions, and intelligence. Your gut produces 90% of your body's serotonin. An unhealthy microbiome literally cuts off your supply of happiness. And it also regulates your dopamine and stress hormones. So if your gut bacteria are out of balance, you're constantly unmotivated and anxious. Now let me show you a study that completely changed how we understand the gut-brain connection. Scientists did a study on two groups of mice. Group A had a normal, healthy gut microbiome. Group B was raised in a sterile bubble. They had zero gut bacteria. Here's what happened. The mice with zero gut bacteria behaved totally differently. They were hyperactive, took crazy risks, and showed almost no anxiety in dangerous situations. They also had memory problems and couldn't learn as well. Then, the scientists did something even crazier. They took the gut bacteria from the normal mice and put it into the germ-free ones. And guess what? Their brain chemistry changed, and they started acting like normal mice. This proves your gut controls your decisions. A damaged microbiome stops producing GABA, which helps you resist impulses, and floods you with cortisol, which kills rational thinking. That's why those mice took insane risks, and that's why you lose willpower and chase instant rewards instead of long-term goals. It also controls your intelligence. An inflamed gut creates molecules that travel to your brain, causing memory problems and brain fog. And remember those mice that couldn't learn? That happened because they lacked specific proteins, controlled by gut bacteria that are needed for neurons to connect. Without a healthy gut, your brain literally loses the hardware it needs to build new skills. Your microbiome literally shapes how smart you are, so treat it like the rainforest. Don't set it on fire. But seriously, how do you actually take care of it? This isn't obvious, but sleep is critical for your gut health. Your microbiome bacteria have their own circadian rhythm, and disrupting it causes the bad bacteria to multiply and the gut lining to weaken. So remember to get quality sleep every night. Now, the number one factor is obviously what you eat. You can eat fermented foods like kefir or sauerkraut to add good bacteria. But the most important thing is to stop killing the good guys. So, here are the top 5 foods you should never eat if you care about your microbiome. And I saved the worst one for last. Number 1, ultra-processed foods. These contain emulsifiers that strip away the mucus layer, protecting your gut lining. Number 2, artificial sweeteners like aspartame and sucralose. You think you're being healthy by skipping sugar, but these chemicals can actually kill all the good bacteria. Number 3, seed oils, especially when heated up. These are highly inflammatory. Number 4, refined sugars. This feeds the bad bacteria in your gut. And finally, the most damaging one, alcohol. It's a literal antiseptic. When you drink it, you're wiping out the whole rainforest. So, let's recap. Your gut is literally your second brain. Treat it well, and you thrive. Mistreat it, and you are literally getting dumber every day. Now, I've made a lot more videos on brain health and intelligence, including the top 7 worst habits for your brain, which I highly recommend watching right after this one. Don't forget to subscribe for more science-backed brain upgrades. Stay smart.